Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this diamond shape in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a pentagon. Sorry, I don't know why it took me so long to think. A pentagon shape using the hexagon tool. Just press on it and then make the sides 5. Press OK. And then you're going to rotate it this way. Just gonna make it bigger so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to select these two here using shift, and then I'm just going to adjust them so they're up here instead of down there to create that diamond shape. Sorry, I'm also pressing shift so that it's equal on both sides like this, and then I'm just going to use a pen tool to create some shapes here. Just gonna create a triangle here, and then I'm going to create another triangle here. Like that. Then selecting everything, we are going to use the shape builders tool, and we're just going to select the shapes separately to create a shape. For the colors, I am just going to go one by one, and I'm just going to go to like one of the blues here, and I'm just going to make that the lightest blue. Press OK, and then I am going to select this, and I'm going to color it the same, but I'm just going to make it a little bit darker like this. And then for this one, I'm going to color it the same as this one. Then for this color here in the middle, I am going to make that the same as well, but just a tiny bit darker. And then for the one in the middle here, we are going to make that even darker than that. Press OK. And then we're going to color this one just the same as this one. Select this one, and then you're going to color it again, but again we're going to make it darker. Press OK, and then lastly we're going to make this area the darkest shadow. Press OK. Select everything and just remove the outline. And voila, you got yourself a diamond. Super simple. This is how I like to make it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.